Hey everybody, it's Matt here. Um, I am here to record a video. Um, I'm just testing the headset mic on these here headphones that I'm wearing because I've already tested it on Elton, it sounds good, and now I'm testing it here. So, I wanted to know what you guys thought of it because I am thinking of using this for more live streams. Um, but the only thing is, I don't know. I don't know if I should or not. But whatever. All I know is that this is just a test of my microphone, and I will be doing another live stream today at some point on this other backup channel we have. So, yeah.